Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Approach S42 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Golf application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Golf application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you can tap on the menu icon and here tap on Garmin devices. And here you should see your Garmin Approach. It says not connected because I believe we need to wait till it syncs with our phone. As you can see, it says connected now. Okay, and once you see the Approach S42, under it you will see the smart notifications. As you can see, it says disabled at the moment, but we can enable it here. So tap on smart notifications, and if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the phone and the application to send the notifications to your watch, you will see pop-ups about the permissions, and it might also redirect you to this page, device and app notifications. If it redirects you to this page, find the Garmin Golf app, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and it will allow the notification access, as you can see. Also, as you can see, we got the pop-up about the permissions. If you see it, notification, tap on it and tap on OK, and it will basically ask you for more notification permissions. And once you allow the permissions, the notifications should be enabled, and we can tap on smart notifications, and here we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps on our phone. And how it works is basically, if you, for example, enable the notifications for Discord and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. You will only see it on your phone. So enable the notifications for the apps you like, and once you're done, sync the watch with the phone. And once it's done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. So we know it's working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.